Anastasia, and today I'm going to be straightening my hair. This channel is new, so please subscribe if you want to see me straighten my hair or you just want more videos. I plan on doing beauty, makeup, skincare, you know, fashion, all that type of stuff. I bought this hair in like April. She's a little textured right now. It's because I bleached her, and I bleached her till she was like a little blondish color. It was yellow blonde, and then I decided to put like a blue dye on top of her. This is actually after 4 takes of dye. But yeah, I put a blue dye on her, keep her in her natural state. I made it into a wig. This is a unit. I installed it this morning. And for a more straight look today, I just want her to look really sleek. I love this hair because even though after I bleached her and stuff like that, I know she looks probably a little fuzzy right now, but she is so well taken. Well, she took it well. She still waves up when I wash her, and like I've had different types of hair, AliExpress, Pretty Proper, and this by far is the best hair. Like even though it's damaged, it still works better than hair that I just bought from random places. Like I love it so much. The flat iron I'm using today is by Pro Beauty Tools. She's really cool because she turns on. It's green. I'm gonna put her up to 410. Oh, you could see that. Actually, it's not gonna show. 410, and she beeps when she's ready. So I'm going to put her down. Now to just prep the hair, I'm going to put her into 4 sections. Just getting out some clips. So I got my clips. I'm just going to, well, it's already parted down the middle. I'm gonna put the back part up. I only have the front part put on. Like the front part is glued on. I didn't sew the wig on or anything. So yeah, she can lift in the back. Just putting her into 4 sections. That noise was the flat iron saying it's like basically at the temperature I want it to be. I don't know if you guys heard that. Okay, whew. So I'm just gonna put this side up too. This is by Cream of Nature. It's the Argan Oil, Shine and Strength Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just gonna spritz some of this on the hair. I like this product because it's very lightweight, and like although like it goes on wet, it dries really quickly and it leaves your hair feeling so moisturized afterwards. I love this for my natural hair and for my weaves. So yeah, just keep brushing till you know what's good. My camera is really small, so you guys won't be able to see. This is long hair. This hair is like, it was 30 inches. I did trim it a little bit, so it's probably like 26, I said 26, like 28, 26. So yeah, just gonna take a small piece. Take a small piece. I like to do the silk press method. So all I'm doing is just straightening it really slow. That steam is from the product. That's not my hair frying. And the hair gets really straight. Straight. And all you have to do is take like a quarter, not even a quarter, half an inch of hair. Let me see, this is wavy right here. Half an inch of hair, and then you take the flat iron and just run it through. I'm gonna do that because that's it's a little wavy. Just repeat the same step over and over. I'm gonna do it one more time on this side, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm finished with this section. Take the comb, start it from the beginning. And then slowly run through. I like to put the comb in front of the thing in front of the straightener just so it smoothens out the hair before the flat iron passes through. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the next section and then I'll come right back. And I really bleached this hair a lot. For it to like get like this, it's so nice. So nice. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the rest of the hair. Starting with this section. If this gets a little bit difficult, because this is my first time like recording me doing my hair on camera, but if this gets a bit difficult, then I'm gonna do it off camera and come back when I'm finished. But until then, we're gonna see. I just take this, it smells so good. Take this and I spray it all over the hair. And like I literally sprayed that much and it gets dry so fast. So fast. I really love this stuff. It smells so good. It really does smell good. I gotta get me some more, as you can see. The bottle is almost empty. See? The bottom is almost empty. I don't want it to be gone. It's really good stuff, man. Get back. And I don't know if you guys see, but I only have to press like with the flat iron once. I only have to do one flash. I only do this like this because this is the first time I'm doing my hair on a wig. Well, sorry, I didn't realize my phone died, but this is the completed side. Nice and flowy. See how it's catching light? I love this hair. I'm just gonna go finish up this side and then we're done. I'll be right back. Okay, my final thoughts for this hair is that, first off, I love it. It is so nice. Once again, this is exotic hair. If you're wondering, I'm wearing a 16-inch frontal. I have in the bundles 30, 28, and 26. If I had to rate this hair, I would honestly give it like probably a 7 or an 8, and that's only because I colored the hair and I never got to experience it in its natural state. But definitely I will buy hair from there again, because for it to hold up so well like this, oh god. This was in Body Wave and it's Indian, I believe, Indian hair. I paid $250 for this hair And that's because, I don't know if you guys know, but Exotic Hair, every Saturday of, well, the first Saturday of every month, they have a sale where every frontal is $70, closures $40, and bundles are $60. Doesn't matter the length. And for that sale, it's only for straight, curly, and body wave textures. And this is body wave and it has a lot of textures. This is the hair that, you know, Cardi B and Nicki Minaj and them be wearing. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm not. For me to have colored it and put so much, well, put this hair through so much, it is doing a pretty good job. And you see how silky this is. I mean, once again, it's textured, but it moves. It moves. Only thing I put in it was this. I had washed it before I installed it this morning, and I let it air dry. But yeah, that's it about this hair. For her to get more sleek or like more straight without the texture, all I have to do is spray some sheen spray, olive oil sheen spray, some type of sheen spray to weigh it down a bit and make it more flat. But I like it like this. I like it like this. I do want you guys to know that this is a new channel. As you can see, I don't have any other videos, and this will be my first video. But I do have a lot planned for the future. Like, I love doing hair tutorials, hair, makeup. I like making wigs. I can show you guys how I install my frontals. Coloring hair. For those who like anime, K-pop, and K-dramas, like, I could talk about that. Talk about what's going on in the world. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this channel, but just know it's gonna be great. So please subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Anastasia_royal4. I have Snapchat, but the name is kind of weird, so I'm gonna put it in the description below. And you can follow me on Facebook. I have 2 social media accounts on Facebook, Anastasia Royal, both the same name. But yeah, have a nice day, and thank you so much for watching.